there, folks. Hey, this is Joel here. Hey, this quick video today is going to talk about another printer I bought and finally spent some time seeing if I can work with this thing. I got this printer a while back from a place called Amazon, and it's the Nucoun VCP-58PLUS model. This is the one I bought, $59.99. This one only has a DB9 female RS-232 port on it. Does not have Ethernet, does not have any other method to talk to it. It's strictly RS-232, thus the price, $59.99. Anyway, I bought this some time ago and finally decided to play with it. So out of the box, the way the unit works is if you apply power and push down the feed button, it will print out a self-test. Now I'm also showing on the camera here the button. I've already printed it out and it gives you a little receipt like this. The important thing you need to know is that the default settings of this unit are 115, 8, 1, and none for the communications. Notice, team, that I'm over in communications and, oops, you know what? We don't want this. Let's clear this out of here. We don't want this in here. This should not be in there. And we're going to go down to RS-232 port here, because that's what we're using, serial. I'm using the regular port, not the program port. So here it is, 115, 8, 1, and none. Notice, team, that normally you'll get a port number up here, but in Crimson 3.2, down in the lower left-hand corner, it says port number 3. All right? So then if I go to programs, and I've got a program written here, and this program is just using the port print command to send out ASCII strings. So first up here, I got port equals 3, that's the port number. That way I use that, and if I need to change the port number in another program, I can use the same program and just have to change this line here. Anyway, that's the port, and then here's the commands, and I'm just doing some simple things here to print out. This unit apparently has 32 character wide printing. There might be a way to make it smaller font and so forth with some of their software, but I am merely pulling this out of the box and doing it that way. And then in this database about printer, I've got some things here. But back here in display pages, to talk to this, I'm using a CBL PROG 0 cable, which is just nothing more than a serial cable from Redline. Goes from an RJ11 to a DB9 on there. And then I put a null modem, so I'm swapping my pins 2 and 3 to make this happen. And anytime I press the print ticket button, it will call that program and should print. So since I made a couple changes to this, let's go ahead and download this to the screen. You can't see it on here, but it's going to be on the web page here. Here we go. Should power back up once it gets done rebooting my changes. While I'm waiting on that, there's the unit on their website, Nucoun, NUCOUN.com, $59.99, there it is. And then they have a manual on it, but man, it was not very good, to be honest with you, team. So anyway, I'm just sticking with the default settings. Let's go back to here. Let's see if it works. Watching the camera right here. Let's see if I hit print ticket. Oh, look at that, team. And if I just take this ticket, I could not figure a way to make this thing cut like the other printer. I did send a note to the factory to see. I'm sure I'll get a response for that, none. But there's the receipt, and basically it says exactly what I wanted on it. I don't know if I can I focus this? Let me look. Well, I was going to try to focus that in. Anyway, that's what the receipt looked like. That number was 29, looks like on there. Number 29. If I print it again, go ahead. This should be number 30. How fun is that? There it is, number 30 on that one. If I get the camera to, it's kind of hard to do this at the same time. Anyway, there you go. Just another quick example of a ASCII printer being used with the Redline. If you want to copy this database, just send me a note and I will send you the database. I think it's called G09 Nucoun _VCP 58+. That's it. Thanks a lot, folks. Have a great day. See you.